Come. You're a bit weak, huh? Here, buddy. Come. Come. Yeah, don't be scared. Don't be scared, buddy. So this hungry lost bird flew into our house. Hello, boy. All right, Burmese biryani again. Mengelaba. Chicken biryani, but one plate mutton. Mutton. Yeah, we try. This is Yangon style biryani.
Yeah.
So it's got like sultanas in there, cashew nut.
Yeah, makan kah?
Rice very nice.
Sedap.
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 Sedap macam boring gitu.
Yeah. You try before, no?
Sedap, nice.
Yeah. Jai Suba. Okay, back at Lotus Gate to finish off the tattoo with one.
Serve.
Get some pig organ soup. Hello, 一个杂汤啊，5块的。
吃包
是的，还有一个大肠，还有刀包，
还有
一个饭
一个白饭，
可以啦。
17.5塊。
你哋嘅湯好開名㗎係咪？
係啦，
係啊，做咗幾多年啊？
呢度啊10幾年啦，
10幾年，冇啦，多耐啲啦係咪？
幾年啦，
20幾年啦係咪？
好啦20幾年喺上高，
哦，
我哋搬落嚟，
哦，OK。This one is much better than the hyped one at Tiong Bahru Market. I love my spare parts. Da Chang, the big intestine pork. Come. Yeah, don't be scared. Don't be scared, buddy. So this hungry lost bird flew into our house. Hello, boy. Girl. Hello. Yeah. Good bird. Yeah. Don't be scared. Don't be scared, buddy. Good bird. Don't be scared, okay? Come. You're a bit weak, huh? No. Come. Come, Nanny, here. Go. Okay. Hungry. Yeah. Okay. Hey, Bula. Introduce you to a new friend, okay? Who decided to come and join our family. Bula. No, Winston. Don't bully him. Be a friend, okay? So I've decided to call our little lost bird Isa. So there he is. Let him out, he's stretching his wings. Isa is like sayang in Fijian. So it's like sayang, Isa. I call him Isa because he's a lost bird. And actually his leg is hurt. So he's actually limping and standing a lot of times on one leg. So it's like sayang, sayang, Isa, Isa, Isa. These birds, lovebirds, out in the wild they'll die because they can't survive. They've been like domesticated their whole life. So they can't hunt for food. They can't look for food. They don't know how to look for food. Isa. Don't be afraid, Isa. Don't be afraid, Isa. Isa. Isa, 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 come, Isa. And then there were three: Isa, Bula, Winter. Bula, Isa, Winter. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. How are you cooking the cassava? How are you cooking it?
So my helper peels it,
Okay.
she grinds it, and she does like a cake from it.
Oh, okay,
It's
okay,
so
okay.
good. And she just puts coconut milk
Ah,
inside.
okay, okay, okay.
So with coconut milk, she
Yeah.
does like a...
Have you
pan.
tried just steaming it and just eating like that?
No, because I prefer it as a...
Okay.
you do it like that? You,
Yeah, because I was born in Fiji,
Okay.
so that's how they eat it. They just
So
boil
how
it
you
or
cut it? How you cut it? Like a slices or...
No, you just peel it off
Just
and
like-
then you
ah,
steam
okay.
it.
Ah, the whole thing.
Yeah, and
okay.
then you eat it like instead of rice. So
Okay.
that's your carb, your staple.
Yeah, like
It's
like
a-
a potato.
Yeah.
Like kind of.
So it's
yeah.
either this or this, carrot or cassava.
Okay. Great. So I...
Yeah, you appear in my video.
Yeah, I know.
Ah,
Purposely one.
Today
A bit
also-
earlier. I pick up.
okay, bye bye.
Bye.
Say hello to my beef lady, my beef auntie. Chào dân.
Ai da, tao tao
Hả?
Em thầu đi men, em thầu đi men cái tí bé đi.
À, thế đâu? Giếng nào? Cái anh thấy.
Cái nghĩ à?
Mùi hương nhỉ? Mùi hương means moldy, fragrant, moldy, smelly fish. So it pays to have friends who are famous curators, installers with super toys. John Savage from the woods in the house. I'm giving a chance for John to play with his expensive new toy. German drill, don't play. This drill will be used to hang blue chip artist artwork in Singapore. Don't play. He come here and drill basic holes for me. Okay, John will also be adopting my lost bird. Very fast. Huh?
Hello,
Just grab him.
welcome. You know how to perch?
Oh, not scared like today.
Very good.
Not scared like today.
Good, sweetie. Well done. Don't be scared. Sayang. No need to scare. Find a good place for you to stand.
Yeah.
Very good.
Wow. You upgrade already from HDB to condo. Upgrade already, HDB to condo.
Yeah.
That's why I wanted to give away the bird because she's living in a small one-room flat. She's got a landed property. Hey, well done, huh? Today you're not scared. How come? Huh? You prefer men with beards, is it? Huh? Hey, really? Today he's like not scared.
I was
Yeah.
quite surprised that he was willing to step up.
Yeah. Isa, bye-bye. Alright? You are going.
Beautiful house.
Right, the front seat.
Okay, bye-bye, okay? I'll come and visit you one day.
Yeah.
Alright? Hopefully you remember me, but I think you won't remember me already. Okay.
Alright.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Look at that side. Look at that side. See that?
Alright, man. Alright.
Thank you, man.
Bye.
Okay.
Bye.